Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to change aspect ratio on this device camera. So first we should go into the camera application, and now here we can set the aspect ratio here section. Just here we got selected as 3 and 4. That's the regular, the default aspect ratio, the standard one. Now we can take a picture and we can say that the picture will be in this format. So now we can change the aspect ratio from 3 and 4 to 9 and 16. Oh, I didn't change it. Okay, so and now we can set that, and we'll take a photo, and now we can see that the second photo is longer than the first one here, and also we can change it to the 1 and 1. You can see that this aspect ratio looks like a square. So here we can see the difference, and also we can just activate the full screen aspect ratio. And so here we get the 4 different aspect ratio of our device camera, and you can use one from this just aspect ratios. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.